Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, where for today's video I'm going to be doing a review on one of the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette. This is the Nude Obsessions palette in Rich, and I'll just show you what the inside looks like. I've used a bit now, but it looks like this. Those are your colours. So you've got like, it's quite like rich dark colours, like because of this one and this one. And honestly, the pigmentation is insane. Like, I really packed my brush up when I first used it, and I was like, that's way too much. Like, I put way too much on. And the shimmers are absolutely gorgeous. Like, they come off so nice. And I don't know, just the formula of them, they're like really creamy, and they just stick to your eyes so well, and they just give you like a glittery effect, which I think is really, really pretty. This palette, well, Boots now do Huda Beauty, so I bought this with my Boots points. This was £27, and I've been saving up my Boots points. I had about £32, so I used it to buy this, and I'm really happy. Like, basically got it for free just with your Boots points that you earn from buying things from Boots, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, because it's like, I would even pay £27 for this because it's really good. Like, it's really worth it. I kind of want to get the neon ones now as well. If you've seen them, they do like a green one, orange one, and a pink one, and they look incredible. Like, I know somebody that's got the pink one, and it looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I do actually really, really want to get those as well. I want to build up a little collection. They are very little, so like, you get, how could I not count? You get 9 shades for £27. It is a small palette, but like, you're still getting a good 9 shades, 4 of which are glittery, 5 are matte, and yeah, for 9 shades, I think it is quite pricey. Like, a lot of people might think that's quite pricey, like nearly £30 for a palette, but the pigmentation and just formula of these is so worth your money. I'm gonna insert swatches right now on my arm of what these look like, just a video that I did on my TikTok. But yeah, I would say that these are really, really worth the money. I do think that the shimmers are insane, and the mattes are so pigmented. Like, I genuinely, you don't need as much as you think you need, so I just feel like it's going to last you ages. And it's perfect for travel. Like, do you not think that that's perfect to take on holiday with you? But yeah, I do really, really think it's worth the money, and I do want to build a collection of these. So that was just a really, really quick little video of my opinion on the Huda Beauty palette. I might actually insert some looks that I did with it as well. Just because why not, you can see what I created with it. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.